Hello Narayan, hello Sridhar, hello Kajal Bhati. We have Kajal. We have Parash Patel, we have Pushkar. I hope you're doing fine, Pushkar.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot see you.
Okay, just a minute. Let me check.
Yes, please.
I requested to be in the video, but I can't see myself as well.
Okay. I would suggest you to exit and then again,
I'll
look up.
leave and I'll join.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Try
Okay.
that way if possible. Yeah. Thank you everyone for joining us. Kajal ma'am is joining us right away, and we'll start with the series of Express Your Experience.
I'm not visible again, right?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
Ma'am, can you try from Sir's account if he's on Instagram?
Okay. Okay.
Can you please try once if he's there at home, of course, because
Yeah,
ये
he's
एक बार हमारे
there.
साथ पहले भी हुआ था. Yeah.
Okay.
Just try once, ma'am, please, because you're not visible.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. So, what's the reason that video is not visible?
Honestly, even we don't know, but ये एक बार हमारे एक और client के साथ हुआ था that
What?
we had to record just the audio.
Okay. Okay. So I'll join from
Yeah,
my okay another
if
account. Okay.
possible. Yeah, please, if
Okay.
possible. Sachin, thank you so much for joining us. We have Stardeep, we have Sridhar, we have uh, Dinesh Bhati, we have RTN Gujjar, Rajesh Parmar. Thank you so much for joining. We have Dipali, Rakesh Parmar, Deshmukh, Avadhut. Thank you everyone for joining us. As promised, we are very excited to invite our speaker, Mrs. Kajal Chatija. She is trying her level best to join us very soon. Let's give her a few seconds and minutes if possible so that she's visible to us. We have Sanjay Chatija sir also with us. Sachin is asking, what is the session about? The session is about express your experience, wherein a very profound educationist is going to share her journey from being a co-teacher to a founder director. So stay tuned for it. We have Dhanu Bhati as well. Let me add Sanjay sir. She's just joining us right away. Yes. Can you see me?
Yeah. Am I visible?
You are visible, but you are not. like moving or something like that? आपका सिर्फ photo जो
Am I visible? Yes, Manisha, am I visible?
your audio is there, ma'am, but आपका वो एक ही pic है जो you know है वहाँ पे दिख रहा है. It's not like
Yeah.
live your
Yes. Video is not on, right?
video on करो ना, ma'am.
Video, here it is not showing to, like, there's no notification. I just sent you request and you accepted, and now I'm in the chat. Like, I could see your
Okay.
video.
Can you see yourself, ma'am? Can you see yourself?
In this now I can see from other. There is a blurred one, right?
Yeah, blurred one, just your photo. That's it.
Yeah. Here it is not showing to, like, there's no notification.
Hello.
Sent you request. Yes. You accepted, and now I'm in the chat.
So
Video can't
what should
be
we do? Video can't be seen. So should we continue?
I'll join from the
Nilesh,
top.
you're joining from?
Krishna Chatija.
Please try no once. Yes,
Okay,
secure ID.
I'll
Should I exit and again should I do that? Because हमारी तरफ से मैम ये नहीं होता है. Last time भी हुआ था.
Yeah.
I think that lady
I'll
also
do
she
that.
was talking from a very cabin type
From the third
environment.
account. I'll just
Yeah,
do
yeah.
that. I'll just give me 2 minutes.
Yeah, take it. Hello, Nilesh Vasurkar. We have Tarun Tiwari. We have Bhati Divya. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you for joining. As I told, this session is about Express Your Experience, wherein Mrs. Kajal Chatija is going to share her journey from being a co-teacher to a principal se leke a founder and a director of educational platform, that is EduDrone Reconnect. So she's a highly enthusiastic lady, and I'm sure she's going to give a lot of insights. She's going to share a lot of experience and a lot of advices as well as to how we can experience stuffs in our life and also move forward. We have Pawan as well, who has joined us right now. Hi, Bharat. We have Bharat Bhati as well. We have Krishna Chatija. I hope this time it works. I hope this time it works. Yes.
Now?
Very well, ma'am.
Yes. How are you all? Thank you so much for having me here.
Most welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please keep your phone like, stable, because when it's moving,
Just do it. Yeah.
Just
a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Take your time.
Is it okay now?
Absolutely fine. Yeah. So very good afternoon to everyone, to all the viewers who are listening to us on Instagram right now, and also who are going to listen to us on IGTV, Instagram, plus on YouTube channel, that is Dreamant India. Let me tell everyone, on this auspicious celebration moment of Teachers' Day, she couldn't, we cannot think of any other teacher except her. So let me tell you, Mrs. Kajal Chatija is one of the most profound personality as far as Pune is concerned, because she's so famous for her work, for all the schools that she has worked in 15 years. Let me tell you that a journey from co-teacher to being your own founder and director of your own company, this is something that she's going to share with us, this journey, which I am sure is going to have so many insights, so many experiences that she's going to share. So, ma'am, over to you as to what is that, what are those failures, struggles, or challenges? Being a woman, being a mother, being a daughter-in-law, being a principal, teacher, so many responsibilities in this one life. So can you please tell us, from where did it start and how was it?
First of all, thank you so much, Miss Manisha, for giving me this opportunity to be live with such profound people. We already have so many with us, and I'm really excited to share my life journey, which is like a roller coaster. And everybody is going to laugh out loud, I'm telling you, from where exactly it started. So, since I was, you can say, when I was 16 years, I started teaching. Okay, I started, as I've mentioned, I started my career being a co-teacher. I started co-assisting my guru. I started teaching yoga to start with when I was in 11th standard. So I used to teach yoga every day for 1 hour. From there, that consciousness came in that I have to take care of myself, and from there I got the inspiration of doing something in life. And from there I started doing multiple things. I started teaching dance, toy making. I used to take conduct tuition classes helping children. And to start with, as I got married in very young age, when I was 19, I was doing my SY BCom. I completed my SY TY. I graduated after getting married. In 8 years, I took a break then. I became a mother of two young boys. Then I realized that I have a lot of energy and I'm wasting my energy and I can do something great. Then I realized I should do, something. Then my father-in-law recommended, why don't you do teacher course? As you have a lot of energy, you speak well, you inspire people. So that's how I decided doing B.Ed. And out of everybody's surprise, I topped in my B.Ed. I stood, third in SNDT University, and my article came out, and I was rejoicing that moment. From there, exactly, there was no looking back. I worked with Vibgyor, RIMS International, Trinity, Euro School, and then in 2018, after all this struggle, I became a principal of Global Talent International School. So I'll tell you, like, from being a co-teacher in the underprivileged school to principal, it was not easy. And I'm going to, reveal many things which I faced. And it's as I said, the journey was not easy, and there were many, ups and downs in my journey. But what I have learned many things through this, that one, I'm going to share many success mantra through this. One is, you need to have a goal in life. Okay. Two, you just need to have one role model in your life so that you look up to that role model, and every day prioritize your, you can say, like, you have to maintain your to do things. Like, okay, like, this is the day, this is my day, I have to design my day, and by the end of the day you need to come back and you need to revisit your to do things. And see, being into teaching profession, when we are trying to do something new, innovative, and we are noticed, all the teachers who are there with us, they will relate with me that they, many a times we are addressed that why are you, doing all these new things. As you are doing, we are also forced to do. So please stop doing. So I was taken as a threat for so many out there. So that's how I have learned across, and I've reached to this stage, and I have considered my boss's recommendation really seriously, really. So, and today I'm going to share certain success mantras over here, that whatever you do, you should do it with full joy. If you're not loving your work, you won't be able to sustain what you are doing. You'll feel like giving up very soon. As we are celebrating, Teachers Day on tomorrow, and this is Teachers Day special. And since the lockdown has happened, I really want to address all the teachers out there. Many teachers have already lost their jobs, and those who have it, they are just. so technology friendly. As you could see, like even I face difficulty as I'm using Instagram for the first time. Of course I use, but I have never used Instagram
As a live.
calling and being live on Instagram. So similarly, all teachers faced these all hiccups, and
Right.
in just 10 days our teachers were ready like edu warriors. So I really want to wish them a very happy Teachers Day, and they all are real warriors, are fighters to address them. And
Right.
same, I have also witnessed in my own life, wherein I became the school supervisor, from teacher when I climbed the ladder of success. And there were so many hassles, and there were so many, like, you are always surrounded with two kinds of energy. That is, one is negative and one is positive. And your world is what you create. It's the world is same. When we see with our own eyes, it becomes the same, right? So we need to find our energy, our positive energy, to and have one buddy, with whom you will share each and every little aspect, and create your own positive surroundings. When you have your positive surroundings, when you create that ambience, when you create that aura, everybody will love to be with you. They will always look forward. I always say this कि ऐसा कुछ काम करो जो लोग इंस्पायर हो जाएं, मजबूर हो जाएं कि हाँ मुझे इसके साथ रहना है. और when I am with this person, I feel very positive, I feel very light, and I'm myself. So we need to create that confidence. We need to give them, our employees who are there with us, our teachers, we need to have that thought process, that when we give them that liberty, then we can create wonders. I'm telling you, we truly can create wonders. And that's how I have believed in this thought process, that we need to create our surroundings. And there are many more things which I want to share, that I have
Yes.
also with this thought process, I have got ATC Art to Connect Torchbearer Award for having inclusion in learning, and have rejoiced my edu career, you can say. And it's just a beginning to mention that it is
Yeah,
just a.
absolutely.
And I've also been ISA best coordinator, having international exchange program with schools in Abu Dhabi and UK, US. So we have been interacting with students in abroad and having our sessions with children in India. So we have had such lovely time. And even I
Inter-school
created, if you
competition.
remember, you were also a part of it, Manisha. We created
Right.
GTIS Futuristic Expo,
Wonderful it was.
right? Where 30 schools participated, and we had 200 projects on display. So that was like my brainchild. And I
Absolutely.
wish to create many more such platforms for students, to showcase their platform. And last week we had a school leader summit, where we got 500 principals, educators, parents coming together and deliberating the discussion on NEP.
I think there's a disconnect or something. I'll add her again. I'll add her again.
It just got
Yeah,
disconnected.
no
I'm back.
problem, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. So last week, we had this school leadership summit, where we got 500 educators coming together and deliberating the discussion on NEP, and there were 350 schools who participated in it. And this Sunday also we have Teachers Day special program. So I'm using, Manisha, this platform to do announcement that I'm
Pause.
I'm calling all my lovely teachers to attend the Teachers' Day program, a heart to heart talk on teachers. I want all my teachers to attend and rejoice this session where we'll, have award ceremony also for them. And everybody, as they all know that I live for my teachers. I really can't thank them enough what wonders they have done during this COVID time, which is commendable. And this brings new energy in us. And
Very
this
true.
really creates, you can say, awakens us to do something for them. So there's a message for all the teachers out there that learning should never stop. Keep learning, believe in experiential learning, okay, and have such an ambience for your children that they should always look forward that today what new things I'm going to learn, आज क्या नया
Very
सीखने को मिलेगा, right? And there is a special message मैं सबको बोलना चाहूंगी. I'm repeating, don't believe in hard work. Yes, I'm telling you not to hard work, okay? hard work आपको नहीं करना है. Believe in joyful work rather, okay? Just believe in joy. When you enjoy your work, automatically new avenues will open for you and you will realize what wonders you can create. And
true.
if you are, one more thing, I'm giving you a contrast over here. If you are not enjoying what you are doing right now, then you're not meant for that work. You need to create, that workspace for you which you are going to enjoy to the most. When you are enjoying, when you are joyful, automatically you will reach at the peak and then sky will be the limit. That's how Guru Mantra I have applied, and I have reached where I am today. It's only because of I believe in joyful and enthusiastic performance. If I'm not liking that work, then I am not in for that. That's the simplest, thing what I have in mind.
Wonderful, wonderful, ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing. What do you think? ये जो चीजें आपने कही है कि throughout this journey, of course, it was there. Then there was a gap of 6 to 7 years when there were so many responsibilities onto your shoulder, bringing up your 2 children, 2 sons, then taking care of the family, taking care of your own self. But all of a sudden फिर कुछ ऐसा कोर्स करना है, बैक टू बैक ऐसे कोर्सेज करने हैं और काम पे भी लगना है, जॉब फिर से चालू करना. व्हाट इज दैट वन स्ट्रगल यू थिंक दैट ये दिन हर दिन आता है ये चैलेंज और हर दिन मुझे उसको ओवरकम करना है? बीइंग women out, बहुत सारे लोगों को इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर चाहिए कि being a teacher, and I'm damn sure a lot of teachers like you who are working, of course you are a principal, आपका बहुत ज्यादा अथॉरिटेटिव और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाला काम है, बट जो फ्यूचरिस्टिक अभी जो टीचर्स है जिनको आपके पोजीशन पे आना है, जो आपके जैसे जिनके बहुत सारे बच्चे भी हो गए और घर परिवार भी संभालना है, they also have that challenge that you might have faced at that time. So what do you think that आपने कैसे उसको ओवरकम किया, कैसा माइंडसेट था आपका? Moreover, I would like to know that.
See, over here, we need to learn to balance. We all have responsibilities. We have children. And by the way, I stay in a joint family. At
Yeah.
many a times you have to ignore certain things. And it is not required at all that you have to give it back. Just in case, I'll give you one example. If there is an elderly person who is not liking certain things which you are always doing, then stop doing it. Don't do that. Okay? Do what they like. Same goes for your workspace also. When you are working and you know that your boss will not like if you will do this, do what people like. And once you will do that, I'm telling you, you will be victorious, and your family, your people, those who are around you are going to support you like anything. So believe in balancing, one, understanding people around you, and then create your work culture. Have a perfect timetable. Focus on your home chores as well. if you have to cook, and if you have to look after your children, you have to take care of your studies, and at the same time take care of yourself also. Having that me time is very important, it's very essential. You know, be with your friends, go for a party and meet with your friends. That's what I can say. Balancing is something what I have, mastered in it.
Now
And
it comes
at
very casually, like yeah, it comes very naturally into your आपके जो स्वभाव भी, आपका जो एटीट्यूड भी है लोगों के प्रति, आपके टीचर्स के प्रति, I've seen it very nearly. So I've noticed, I myself, I've learned a lot of things, be it your family life, I've seen your school life, I've seen your international conferences जो आप attend करते हो, उसमें मैंने आपको बात करते हुए देखा है. So there are so many things that I have learned, and there are so many teachers I have heard that this lady is some an inspirational lady who is so many things to learn from. Of course, कितने सारी ऐसी चीजें होगी जो आपने sacrifice की है, कितनी सारी ऐसी चीजें होगी जो आपकी प्लान की हुई थी बट आप अचीव नहीं कर पाए होगे. तो आप क्या कहना चाहोगे उसके बारे में कि कोई चीज ऐसी आपने पूरा कोशिश किया, यू गेव यू 100% टू ट्राई टू अचीव और अकम्प्लिश दैट वर्क, बट एक चीज की वजह से आप उसको अकम्प्लिश नहीं कर पाए. हाउ डू यू ओवरकम दैट? कैन यू प्लीज शेयर दैट? आई नो आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, बट यस, आपकी जो जर्नी है.
all right, you have asked a brilliant question, and it has happened with me. You know, if just in case, again, I will not name the institution, or I'll explain you this with the help of example. See, whatever we do, it's not necessary that we are going to win in that situation. But if we fail, for example, if we fail to do that, that means it's you can say hint for all of us. It's a signal that we are meant for something really big. It is that the destination is not for, that is not for us. So that's how, see, even in this lockdown, this edudrone took birth during this time only. So everybody can take an example out of this. Why I came up with my own e-learning platform, which is Edudrone We Connect, which is for all the teachers, parents, and everybody who wants to voice their opinion and want to exchange their knowledge to create a beautiful surroundings for our children. That's my motive. That's the reason I found my surrounding and I became the founder of Edudrone. And I gave up being, a head of a school during this lockdown. It happened
Such a
during
big
this
risk.
lockdown.
Yeah, such a big
See,
opportunity,
from
and we can
example,
also say, yeah.
everybody should learn that when we close one door, the another door in these days is not going to open. By the way, my dear friends, we have to build that door on our own.
Wow,
It's the time has changed
such
now.
a great, times have changed. We are living into such a world of technology, ma'am, कि काफी सारे लोगों को panic हो रहे हैं. A lot of people are scared. A lot of people are not willing to
Yes,
take the
I can't
risk
hear you.
that hello,
Yeah.
hello, can you hear me? Yeah,
Yes,
a
yes.
lot of
Now it's fine.
teachers, a lot of teachers are actually hesitant, are panicking. बहुत ज्यादा डर रहे हैं वो लोग
Just a minute.
आपके जैसे
Your
कोई भी ऐसे
voice.
कदम उठाने के लिए. Yeah,
Just a minute.
can you hear me now? Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me.
So that's what, ma'am. There are so many teachers who really want to do something outstanding, but जहाँ पे रिस्क उठाने की बात आती है, जहाँ पे खुद का जॉब छोड़ के, it's a very good job, very comfortable, satisfying job छोड़ के कुछ तो अपना ड्रीम के प्रति काम
Just
करना,
a minute. There's
ये
a.
बहुत ज्यादा. Can you hear me now? Hello. She left. She'll be joining us again today, guys. Yeah, Krishna Chatija.
Yes, I can hear you, Manisha. Yeah.
Now you can hear me, right? Yeah. So that's what, ma'am, के ये एक mindset जो होता है, just because you have taken such experiences, you were open for all such experiences plus opportunities that came your way. This has happened just because of that. And when you say that we have to build that door, this is such a big risk that we take, such a big opportunity, and plus a step that we can take towards our dream. एंड खुद का जॉब छोड़ के, इतना हाई प्रोफाइल जॉब छोड़ के खुद का कुछ तो ड्रीम पे काम करना, ऑफ कोर्स कितना सारा डाउट होता है, कितना सारा हेजिटेशन होता है, बट उन सबको चैलेंजेस को, मेंटल चैलेंजेस को साइड में लेके यू हैव एक्चुअली वर्कड ऑन योरसेल्फ. एंड लेट मी टेल ऑल द व्यूअर्स आउट देयर, लाइक this was a target which was to be achieved within 2 to 3 years, and she has actually achieved it 60 to 70% within a month. Just can you
Yes.
imagine the potential that this lady has?
Already
She's such
achieved the
kind of,
target.
yeah, they have already achieved. And to everyone, please follow her and her entire team on We Connect EduDrone. That is on Facebook. And these guys are going to come on Instagram as well. I'm going to share on my profile as well, so that you can share it. All the viewers, please follow them. I'm damn sure coming future ka jo education policies aa rahe hai, she is the right lady to comment on that, to advise you on that, as to which school, which board is going to be very much beneficial, or what is good for your child. So EduDrone We Connect is the future for all the people who are on social media, be it Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So coming to the last part, ma'am, what is that one sentence advice you would like the viewers to remember you? What is that one advice? Remember
The
you.
one sentence for everybody. This is for all, but especially for my teachers. Teachers, it's very important for you to speak out what your feelings are. Please speak out and share, because you know what's happening these days, many are going through a very difficult time, and many teachers have lost their jobs, so they are in depression, they are not feeling good. I have experienced, I'm getting messages from many of the teachers, and I'm really sad on that. So one, piece of advice I want to give to them is to speak out. Just express your feelings with the person you feel most comfortable, and do what your heart says. Believe in yourself.
Absolutely. Believe
Yes.
in yourself.
You
And as
can
ma'am
do
said
it.
that चाहे वो घर का काम हो, बाहर का काम हो, काफी सारे ऐसे काम है जो होते रहेंगे, आगे होते भी आए हैं, पास से होते भी आए हैं. It's just that you need to have that confidence in your potential, that okay, today I might not have been having work, but tomorrow I'll make sure that I have, because I am meant for that. I have that potential.
Yeah.
I have that capability to give justice to my work. Due to some or the other ups and downs की वजह से every individual faces this. So never ever think that it's just you and why it's happening with you. ऐसा नहीं है. A lot of people are there who are ready to give you their ears. So speak up. Speaking up will give you a solution. Sitting back at home just with your own self will create a problem for yourself and for the family as well. So it's better that we start speaking up, we start interacting with everyone, and make things simpler, and start being joys that we have learned from ma'am today,
Yes.
and have a goal as well. So to all the teachers from Dream Hunt India, from all the viewers, and special speaker of today, that is Mrs. Kajal Chatija, a happy Teachers Day to everyone. May you all stay motivated, stay fit, stay blessed, and yes, stay enthusiastic, because we need education till the last day of our life. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day to one and all.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.